To make the macaron, I'm using Whipping It Up Velvet Vanilla flavour. Start off by cleaning your utensils with some white vinegar to make sure it's free of any grease residue. Sift 90 grams of your ground almond meal and set this aside. Place 125 grams of your Whipping It Up mixture and 50 ml of water into a bowl and whisk until you reach stiff peaks. Add your 25 grams of icing sugar to your ground almonds and mix until combined. Add 1/2 of the meringues to the almonds and mix until fully incorporated, then add your second half. Now this is a really important part that apparently most people seem to miss out. You need to drag the mixture up the sides of the bowl all the way around and then scrape it back down. And you need to repeat this process around 10 times. I have a pre-printed silicone mat underneath and I've laid my greaseproof paper on top. So that means that I have my circles as a guide and I can just literally pipe in the middle of the circle. Once you've finished piping, slide the macarons on the greaseproof paper onto a baking tray and drop the baking tray onto your worktop around 10 times. So I used Faye Cahill Luster Dust Gold to make a paint using vodka, and I also used the same mixture with a little bit more vodka in it to make it a little bit more runny so that I could flick it onto the macaron for a speckled effect. And for the last macaron I used a gold shimmer spray which I just sprayed onto the tops of the macaron. To fill the insides of my macaron, I'm making a Swiss meringue buttercream using the same mixture that I used to make the macaron. Combine the Whipping It Up mixture with your butter and then you add your water until you have a creamy Swiss meringue buttercream. So now what I've done is I've halved the mixture and I'm going to keep 1/2 neutral and the other half I'm going to colour pink. Fill your piping bag with the neutral coloured buttercream and with a Wilton to a piping tip. Now fill another piping bag with your pink Swiss meringue buttercream using a Wilton 1M piping tip. So I decorated these macarons with some happy sprinkles, red glitter spray and silver leaf transfer, and then I sprayed all three with some silver glitter spray. Did anyone notice my huge mistake? I mixed half of the almond into the meringue instead of half of the meringue into the almonds. Honestly, I don't know if it made much of a difference, because to me, I think the macarons turned out okay in the end. Drop me a comment below and let me know how the macaron turned out for you. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. For future videos, make sure to subscribe, and to get notified, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.